Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can actually email out your Excel workbook. So to do this, you just have to head over to the File tab. From here you have to come over here to Share. Then once you come over here to Share, you're going to see an email option. And from here you can go ahead and select Send as Attachment. And then it may take a second, but once it opens up, you can see that it's going to go ahead and open up the Outlook application on your device. And then from here, it should automatically have the, goodness gracious, it's trying to open up all these single sign-on things. But yeah, once you have your Outlook open, it should have the workbook attached. The subject should be the name of the workbook, but you can always adjust that if needed. Then you can just go ahead and specify who you want to send it out to. Then you can go ahead and send it off. So that is probably I would say the easiest way to be able to email out your workbook. If you wanted to, you could also come over here to your quick access toolbar, and you can actually enable an email option. So in case you just wanted a shortcut to be able to send this off, there is also an email shortcut that you can set up there as well under your quick access toolbar.